Okay, let's get started on the directory traversal series. There's only 3 examples here. So go ahead and, by the way, you're probably thinking, well, there's actually nothing here. Well, actually it is. It's an image. If you actually just open the image in a new tab and you go there, you can see this is, the image, but it's not like displaying the image. It's just a bunch of like random characters and stuff. And you probably think it's not working. Let me show you. Let me paste it in the term. There we go. We've got the parameter at the end of it called file is equal to hacker.png. But so you can see this parameter is selecting the file to display, right? So all you need to do is just, okay, well, since it's gathering where that file is on the file system, we can just do dot dot slash like this. And this is what you call the, this is a directory traversal. And then if I do etc password, we can also dump that sensitive information on the server. So if we go ahead and copy that, and we paste it in. Oh, oops. So if we copy this selection here, copy selection, remove the hacker.png, add that, and then there we go. We can see here we've got sensitive information on the, basically the server, the backend, and that shouldn't be happening. Right, especially if you see this in application, it is very, very vulnerable, because you probably think, well, what is the purpose of actually dumping the etc password file? Well, it allows us to see what users have permissions, and it also allows us to see what other services are running on the system. So you can see here, we've got something like this, which is using bin bash, just basic shell. We've got mailing list manager, and we could go on Google and search for vulnerable software or vulnerable versions of this software. It looks like we got a proxy. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. This is the default user if we were to get a shell. If we actually go, we can see we've got some Debian live user, which has this. We've got open LDAP server account. So later in the video series, we will be exploiting this vulnerability. But you can see right away, there's a lot of information here that gives us context about it. So that's the purpose of the etc password file. You could also do the shadow file, which is going to give us, okay, so it actually failed to open, but the shadow file is like where all the passwords and stuff is on the system, and if that is accessible, then we can get more information, but you can see it's not working. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.